this case, what you are trying is you creating a VM and assume you have one web application and your friend or a lot of people want to access that web application, maybe some website. So if you create a VM, you create a normal rules for that VM, and this will be applicable only that VM, correct, Krishna?
Correct. Correct.
Okay, now in this VM, you are adding one more application, which is a different functionality, different port. Again, you will create a rule, right?
Yes.
So this rule again, it's particular to this VM, right?
Correct.
Okay, now I'm going to ask a very simple question. Your project definitely is not going to have only one server, correct? Minimum 100 servers, or minimum at least 50 servers, or at least 100 servers, correct?
Yeah.
So each server or group of servers have a different application, different resources, different purpose, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so now, do you think each and every server you are you will go and create all individual rules, Krishna?
No, no, no. Like
Then
it
what
will
you'll
be a
do?
central service, use something group for that we can use it everywhere.
That is what he created yesterday.
Okay.
You
And what
you
is
are you
that
are, you are
gate?
yeah, wait. So are you clear in this?
Yes.
So now if I define, because I am the person who is going to decide what is my business, what is my application deliverable, correct?
Yeah.
So I am creating a dedicated firewall rules, and I am creating the all what need to be allowed, what need to be denied, everything, correct? You
Okay.
observed after this, he created a VM and there was association he showed, correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. Now, even if you create hundreds of resources, still your firewall rule you can associate, correct?
Yeah. And
So
which one
this
has
way,
preference?
sorry.
Which one has preference? Like if I assigned in the BM as well, and I am assigning
No,
firewall rule as
still
well.
see this firewall global rule always recommended instead of
Okay.
going the individual. Still,
No.
you can go with the VM based. But what I'm saying is, if you talk about the enterprise or an organizational project, then definitely the management is going to be a real nightmare. So you need, whenever you think I'm going to do some implementation, you need to think, is it going to a particular resource, or is it going to applicable all resource, or tomorrow if the same situation comes, what and how you are going to manage it, you are going to support it. This is where all project is getting failed, most of the projects.
Okay, no, I was just asking like if by any chance we have like different requirements or we have added some rules in the VM and also we are
Yeah, you
using
create a
firewall.
you create a separate groups, say for example all web server one, all database server one, like this. See, that
Hmm.
is why this grouping everywhere, even the Microsoft AD Connect we seen, right? So you need to first to define the hierarchy, even the here roles. What
Hmm.
exactly we are going to define the folder structure? The folders are there, and
Planning
what
is
role
important.
under that? Yes. This is the major part. Is really time consuming, which solution architects everybody they need to give a hand in this. Okay,
Yes.
now I'm going back to this. Now you understand this firewall. Then there is another requirement. There are a lot of spammers with some periodic region. You have your application data classification. So this data, this portal has to be accessed only within Europe. Then what all you will do? How best you can secure? You cannot go and put all 20% team or 100% team to manage this all everything, right? But I need a simple solution.
Hmm.
Yes, Rajesh. So you need to go and put this application gateway, okay, in front. If your application is more like a content related, again there is a, we seen the traffic manager also, right? See, each service having their own future. So how secure you are going to, how best you are going to put it in the go to market. Whenever there is a new release, I want to expose it to the market as soon as possible. This is where these are coming into picture. Okay, it's very easy because they already defined, already placed in all geography, but you are going to just define what you want and place it. So what will happen is the end user who is in public internet, they will come via here and there is a validation. After that, once it's passed, it will start access your resources. Is more secure because if you are really interested in security, I would advise start explore security because it's an evergreen market. It's a growing day by day. It's a huge.
Yeah, like I was just about to ask about that as well. Like, are you covering the cloud security part somewhere, or
Uh,
do you have some
no,
do you have something in your YouTube channel?
no. As of now, I'm just stabilizing a couple of things. So I'm having a plan. I'm
Okay.
going to own a couple of domains very soon. So that is one of the security is my cup of tea. So I will release it. But before going to, because many people are thinking security is a different learning. No. Say for example, you are a core expert in cloud. So then cloud security is easy. You are a really master in Kubernetes. Then Kubernetes security is easy. If you are good in DevOps core,
That's
then DevOps security is easy. Security is not a separate learning.
it
If
is
you are
integrated.
if you are strong in a database, then you can go and expand yourself database security. If you are strong in storage, then go and expand storage security. This is also one of the major mislead people are having.
But for like DevOps roles, like to work on that part, we need to know Kubernetes security and we
Yes.
need to
See,
cloud security.
cloud, that is what yesterday I explained. Cloud, and if you say cloud, if you say DevOps, then you need 7 skill set mandatory. You need to be core. It doesn't matter whether you are going to be a hands-on person or going to be a leadership person. You need to have a strong knowledge.
Yeah.
To be frank, I don't have any hands-on access in my any of my work deliverable. But to take a decision or to plan something, I need to be core in a hands-on or all use cases. So now, are you clear what exactly he explained yesterday?
Yes. Now I'm clear. Like,
So the one of the session I showed, right, the portal ICT jobs. So even if you access from India, it will not work. There are a lot of things. If you don't have such a mechanism, the application gateway, these are all, then manual configuring is going to be really a headache. Not only configuring, daily basis you need to manage. Krishna.
it's working in US. It's not working in India.
So that is where these are all services. But only thing is, what is your end goal? How best you can product whenever you go to market. That is where the services is really needed. So the same application, it's a like a streaming kind of application. Then you must need some CDN kind of services.
Yeah, like nowadays video streaming and
Yes,
those
yes,
things.
yes, yes,
Yeah, someday we can discuss. I will put the query over there as well.
yes.
Discuss the architecture of that.
So I'll also cover a couple of architecture brainstorming also, so that people will clear. But we will
Like
put it
how
in the
Netflix
last
is working.
stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put it in the last a couple of weeks, so that. But I strongly maybe I'm requesting everyone pick up some use cases, fail multiple times in your lab. This way, I can easily lift you to what you need in your this journey, cloud and DevOps journey.
It's really good. Like we cannot get this much of knowledge from anywhere or the way of thinking basically.
Okay, I'm going to share this even yesterday files and today files. I'll post it in the WhatsApp group. Even I will post it in the LinkedIn also.
Okay.